Power outages can dramatically interfere with everyday life. That's why more and more homeowners are choosing the protection and peace of mind of a whole home generator. But it's not just about the product. It's about the service every step of the way.
There are several types of generators. Generators range from air-cooled to liquid-cooled, depending upon the size of the home that it's going to power. Reliable Power Systems installs every type of generator that a home or a commercial business could need. We also install propane tanks that range from above ground to underground in case your home does not have a natural gas fuel source. An automatic whole home generator is much more safe than a portable generator. A portable generator stays in your garage and gets started up when you think you need it. You must maintain a fuel source inside of your garage and also connect what appliances you want to that generator in the event of a storm. An automatic whole home generator will take care of all that for you without having to worry about anything. Generators are growing in demand in South Florida due to the storms and customers not wanting to be without power. An automatic whole home generator is a smart investment, one for the resale value of your home, and two for the safety of your family should there be a power outage.
Reliable Power Systems understands your generator needs, but what really sets them apart is the full service experience they deliver, from the very first consultation to long-term maintenance.
What separates Reliable Power Systems apart from other companies is our one-stop shop. From the initial consultation to the installation to the service of your generator, every employee that enters your home and services your generator is a reliable employee. You don't have to worry about any subcontractors or any other people in your home or who to call. You call Reliable and we will handle it from beginning to end.
The initial site visit and consultation is probably the most important part of the process because we want to make sure that the installation that we're proposing for you is done to code and safely. When we set up a system for a customer, we have to do a load calculation, which allows us to determine what size generator is needed for that customer and make sure that the customer's installation is done correctly without any issues when they have an outage. Placement for a generator is also extremely important for noise. You also want to make sure that the generator isn't too close to operable windows or going to be exhausting on sensitive equipment or sensitive items.
Licensed professionals handle all required permitting and code compliance, so you don't have to worry about paperwork or red tape.
At Reliable Power Systems, we are committed to your safety and we will never use subcontractors. Our technicians are all drug tested and background checked. We want to make sure that everyone that comes to your home is trained and qualified for the duties they're performing.
Reliable has been phenomenal to work with from start to finish. They took care of, first starting to educate us on what the process is going to look like. They needed to talk to our homeowners association, which can be a pain. And they took care of all the permittings, which I understand is complicated because there is electrical involved, there's gas involved, there's the county involved, the city sometimes. Their price was very reasonable based on the research I did. They had a project manager that worked with us and communicated to us often whatever the progress was, and now we're getting it installed. Another thing they did that was great was whenever somebody comes to the house, I get a notification through text and email that somebody's going to be here. I get a notification who that person is and that they're on the way. They told me when they're coming, they sent me a text, they sent me an email, and they showed up on time.
At Reliable Power Systems, we help maintain your system with 24/7 remote monitoring, as well as perform routine annual maintenance. We always recommend a cellular mobile monitoring device that allows both us and the homeowner peace of mind to know that their system's always operational. This is especially essential in a storm because even if there's an outage, our cellular device will still be communicating.
Losing power doesn't just mean the lights go out. It can lead to spoiled food, ruined medications, and serious safety risks. Planning ahead is essential.
I think it's important to note that our Reliable Power Systems, we not only offer great customer service at a fair price, but our staff of over 100 employees and 75 trucks on the road are always going to be there to service you. It's very important to know what company you're buying a generator from, and at Reliable Power Systems, we got you covered and we'll never leave you in the dark.
For more information about Reliable Power Systems, visit their website, myreliablepower.com. And of course, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.